If you want to learn about meeting notes in Microsoft Teams, then keep on watching. Hi, my name is Tony, and this is my channel Ready Steady Excel. If you want to learn how to master Microsoft and other applications, then by clicking subscribe and hitting the bell, we'll put you on the right track. Meeting notes are a great place to capture and store notes before, during, and after a Teams meeting. And by using these notes for your agendas and actions, it helps to keep everything in one place. But there's a few things to keep in mind. Only people in the same organisation as the meeting organiser will be able to start or access the meeting notes. Meeting notes are available in meetings with up to 100 people. Only people who are invited to a meeting before the notes are created will have access to them. Others can request access, and the owner of the notes will be notified by email. To add notes before a meeting starts, click on the calendar in Microsoft Teams, then click on the meeting that you want to update. And up here at the top, you've got a Meeting Notes tab. The Meeting Notes tab is only available in standard Teams meeting. So these are meetings that are not connected to a channel. In those type of meetings, you can only add meeting notes during a meeting and after, but not before. So let's add some notes to this one. So I'm going to go to Meeting Notes, click Take Notes, and then here I can give it a title. So I'm going to say Agenda. And then when I click in here, I've got this toolbar, and this toolbar allows me to amend the formatting, add tables and bullets and numbering. I'm going to enter in my agenda items now. And if I wanted to, I can also add a new section just by clicking on the plus. And here I'm just going to type in actions. So there's the meeting notes, and I can now close this, and it will just save automatically. And then whenever I'm ready to join this meeting, so I'm going to join this one now just to show you. So to access the meeting notes during the meeting, and this also applies to meetings that are in a channel, I just click here on More Options, and here I have Meeting Notes. When I click there, and it will open up the meeting notes here on the right. During the meeting, anyone can update these notes, and then these notes will be available after the meeting. And if this was a recurring meeting, these notes will be available from meeting to meeting, allowing people to add to these notes. So just to show you where these notes are available after the meeting, let's come out of this one now. So to access those notes after the meeting, you just simply go to Chat, and then just identify the meeting by the name of it. You've got an option here to show notes in full screen, and you've also got the Meeting Notes tab here too. So if I click on this one, you can see the notes. And again, these can be added to from here. Now, if this meeting took place within a channel, let me show you where those notes can be found. So I'm going to go into a team and channel of where I had a meeting earlier. So up here at the top, if I click on the drop down for more, I've got my meeting notes within this channel. And one of the good things you can do within a channel is that you can mention people. So here I am mentioning Brian Fantana, and I'm going to give him an action. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Teams, then watch these videos here, and I will see you in the next video.